Hello, my dear citizens of Andhra Pradesh and my beloved private teachers who are working in the private organizations such as aided, unaided, and corporate schools like Narayana, Sri Chaitanya, etc. I am very sad to bring this video. Why? Because I myself I went with the situation. I became COVID positive and I went to the hospitals. I went to the government hospital. There I saw the treatment is okay. The doctors are striving hard, very hard. But the government is not facilitating the necessary equipments. I mean, sterilization, sanitization is not at all in good condition. Really, we have to salute the doctors, the health workers, even the frontline workers, the volunteers, especially the nurses who are giving good health services to the patients. Really, I felt very bad that the government is not at all taking care of all these things. I would like to suggest our beloved Chief Minister that he should react on these conditions, as many deaths are occurring due to the COVID effect. It is not a disease which causes one man show or one member. It is a biowar which has all the countries are struggling with. All the countries are doing their best with the governments and governance, and they are developing good needs and necessities. There is a competition between the governments over the world and even in the states of India. Many chief ministers are striving for it, and many are not at all reaching to the goal. I hope Mr. Jagan Reddy's government is doing well, but the ministries are not at all supporting him. The ministries like MLAs, the MLAs are not at all supporting him. And the observance committee for the chief minister, the suggestion committees to the chief minister who are giving suggestions, they are not giving good suggestions. I want to bring to the notice to our beloved chief minister about another situation that the private teachers are facing. There is no base. There is no base in this situation. They are not getting salaries. Many teachers who are going, some are paid who are very nearer to the management. Those are very nearer, and those who can collect the fees and in the administrative level, they are working at the management, they are getting some perks. They are not getting full perks. But the teachers who are doing hard work with the children, they are striving hard to educate them to the best. I will say that many of the private teachers get ranks educate the children with good knowledge. They strive very hard. They think about them. They are bringing them to their upper levels, to the maximum levels, to get ranks and get good positions in the society. And by them, those people are getting good economy, and India is also getting educated and getting good service. But the teacher is remaining behind. The teacher is remaining behind. He cannot reach, especially private teachers. They are getting, many of the teachers, they are getting paid by 3,000 to 4,000 or 5,000. Moreover, if any senior teacher is there, he is not getting more than 10,000 to 12,000 teaching the LKG to 10th classes, especially. And especially in this corona season, last year there was no schools. And when the school started, I saw many youngsters who are coming from the engineering level, and they occupied the positions of the senior teachers, and the senior teachers also lost their jobs. Why I am speaking to you is that I was also affected as one of them. Okay, my situation is another thing, that I am getting a little aid from my families and running on. But think about those people who are not at all getting any aid. Those people who are getting salaries, on that salary they are based and they took loans from the banks. They are unable to pay the loans. In that condition, that is another point. Even they are unable to pay the rents. Many of the private teachers are living on the basis of rental houses. In the rental houses, they are unable to pay the rents. They are unable to feed their kids. Many of their kids are starving behind. I am asking the state government of Andhra Pradesh, I am asking about the present political system of Andhra Pradesh. I am asking about the present governance of the Andhra Pradesh, why they are not thinking about our teachers, especially the private teachers, who are striving hard and hard. Many of them have not been vaccinated till now. They have not been vaccinated till now. If they go to a private hospital, they are afraid how they can survive by paying the maximum fees they are collecting. When they are going to the government sector, even though they are not getting a good sanitization facility, good food, etc. and etc., they are unable to recover their health. Many of them died due to this COVID situation. Now, I am not only asking about the state government, but the central government also should take care about all these things. Why? The teacher is not in the legacy of the government. He is not in the race of the government. Many others are getting aid from other things. The teachers who are the front line, who are good in educating the system, they are trying hard with their health, and they are doing much hard work to get the society forward, to educate them. They are trying very hard. But why? I am asking a question. Why the teacher is not getting a position to understand that he is one of a voter of Andhra Pradesh government? I think the teacher is not a citizen. Why he is not in the adjustment of labor department? Why he is not applicable in the labor laws. Why? A teacher is also a labor to an institution. I can say he is doing hard work to develop an institution, private institution. He is going forward. He is teaching the children. Why he is by name? The government has given a system that a teacher is professional. Okay, professional will not that certificate of professionality will not bring a teacher, and it will not give good food, good health, not good education for the children in the society. I am asking a question to all the ministries of Andhra Pradesh, all the MLAs of the 13 districts. Why you are not understanding the deep heart of the teacher? Why the teacher is sad? Why the teacher is in bad condition? He cannot do other things. He know how to, he is educated, he came into the line to teach some and lead a way. In the bad situation, it is the prior duty of the state government and the governance and the political system and the administration system of this country and the state to provide good infrastructure to the teachers. If you go to all over the world, you find the teacher is getting a good position. He is getting good economic stage to develop his career, to develop the children's career of their country, to develop education. But the filthy ways to earn certain wealth, some of the system has been degraded, and the system is not supporting. Make laws, create laws. It is in your hands. Think we are also a stage of voters. We are voting for you. We are voting for the government. We are supporting the government. I am very sad that this situation has brought many of the teachers are striving on they are unable, some are able to do hard work, but a person like me who lost health, teaching the children day and night, doing duties for 10th classes and all these things, working with a mere salary, I am unable, now my position is that I am unable to cope up with any of the medical aid if it is in the private sector. It is very sad to listen. Why the government is already from the PTLU, Private Teachers and Lecturers Unions, we brought many letters in front of the Chief Minister. We gave many letters to the MLAs, to each and every districts. Why these MLAs are not forwarding the letters to the Chief Minister? Why there is not a discussion in the cabinet? Why there is no discussion about the teachers? I am asking the Chief Minister, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy. What are you doing? Why are you not thinking about the teachers? You are thinking about the fishermen. You are thinking about the other things. You are thinking about the mass. You are not thinking about the teachers who are working for your betterment. Main categories. You have to take care of the health system first. Next comes the education system. You are not at all concentrating on the education system. You are not at all concentrating. Your commissioner, Chinna Veerabhadrudu, he is not at all thinking about the private teachers. Just he is giving statement. Go and there should be a system. It should be designed that the private teachers should get PF, ESI and beneficial salaries after the retirement. There should be a system. Already there is a system. The judicial system is also not at all accurate. They are not supporting any of this. They are not taking this. And they are saying that if you are reaching the courts, they are saying that the teacher is not under labor management. The banking sector is in the labor management. Why this private teachers institution is private teachers and private lecturers, all these fellows are, why they are not coming into the labor management? It is a question to you. Please think about this. Mr. Chief Minister, I respect you. I know that you are a respectable person. You think about these things. Already in Padayatra, we have mentioned all these things. And you said that I will take care of these things when I come to position. You came to position, and since many days happened, many requests have been sent to you, but you are not looking on the part. Please take care of our lives. We are also human beings. We are also voters for the government. Please check on that the private teachers should get justice. Please, once again, I am saying to you, I am requesting you, I am requesting all the government professionals and all the education ministers and all the education department to think about the situation of private teachers and lecturers. You are getting perks. The MLA is getting perks. No MLA is coming forward. He is not asking about any private teachers and lecturers. Just he is taking the letter and he is keeping it aside. We did not vote. We voted for you. Each and everybody, teacher voted for you. Why? Because they believed that you will come and you will do something for the private teachers. But there is no rating. It means no idea of, you are not at all checking about the private teachers. I am asking you, please forward some documents and please forward some rules against for the beneficial of private teachers, and in this situation at least they should get some ration aid. At least 10 to 15,000 should be paid to the private teachers in this bad situation. At least they can bring ration to eat. They are not getting provisions. All the teachers are not having acres of land, or they are not having they are not getting any loyalty income from other sources. All the teachers are not having businesses. Very few are having like that. Many of them are striving. I am asking you that vaccination should be done to the private teachers. Private teachers should be vaccinated first. And if any death occurs from the private teachers section, we won't keep straight away. We won't keep straight away. We won't keep low. We will come very high in the society. So please check on Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, our beloved Chief Minister. Please check on the situations. And I am asking our leaders of the private teachers and lecturers union, why are you sitting so calm? Why are you not able to bring out allegations and put near the table of our Chief Minister? You are satisfied with the positions in the mandal level only? You are selected as leaders, you left on? So please think about the pain which we are having. I request all the ministers, not only our Chief Minister, our beloved Chief Minister, but all the ministers who are behind him, all the MLAs, please think of the private teachers and lecturers in your society, and please give some aid to them. At least 10,000 to 15,000 has to be paid as ration aid. Otherwise, next time it is very toughened. It is very toughened. And another thing is that our rules should be changed. We should get PF, we should get ESI, and we should get all the facilities which the labor laws declares. You see, the municipality persons who are nominated as nominal men in roll, NMR, they are also getting all the facilities like ESI and PF benefits and all these things. But they are not permanent. Like that, you at least treat us nominal men in roll for the education department. And it is the thing is that it is very sad to say that health facilities in our Andhra Pradesh is not at all good. Please check on, sir, because many are dying, many are getting inhaled conditions, many families are ruining up. Please check on, please check on. It is your duty. We elected you as the chief minister. The chief minister of the state means he is the father of the state now. You should think about your disciples and your men who voted you. You have to think of each and every community, not only one community. You have to think about each and every community and each and every system of professions as well as other things. Just you are paying some for auto drivers, you are paying some for, we are not asking to pay, at least the private management has to put some efforts. At least they should give some 10,000 or 5,000 to each and every students of their teachers of their institutions, so that they can get ration aid for 3 or 4 6 months or 8 months until the lockdown has been completed successfully. Please think on, please think on. Otherwise, we have to put source in forward. We have to come with agitations. So please think on, sir. Please think on. Thank you very much for listening my speech.